Hey, hello folks. Welcome again to our new amazing tutorial. This is Ajay and today we're gonna see how we can build the multi-step drop-down with the help of React.js. And to build this, we will use one React.js library and we will also use the React.js advanced concept that is nothing but the use state hook. So alright guys, if you are new to my channel or new to this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that you will have the notification of my upcoming videos in the future. So before get into this, let's have a demo how our application will look like at the end of this tutorial. So on the screen guys, you can see we have one drop down. So let's see what are the values that we are having in the drop down. So we have the four countries. So this is the dummy data that I have selected. So as let's start India. So as you can see, if we select the India must be removed from this drop down list as we have selected India. So let's add one more. So France, if I selected the France, you can see the France has been removed from the drop down list and if we have added into the our selection. So let's add one more, Germany, and the remaining one is only one, the America. So let's add America as well. So guys, if we add all the values from our drop down, it is showing as a no option available. If I removed one from the selection list, if I removed France, you can see France has been added to the drop down list and it is removed from our selection list. So this is what guys we are going to do today. So let's start to build this step by step. So guys, this is our initial boilerplate. So let's remove some code as we don't require. So we don't require this image anchor tag. Then also we have to remove this import, and along with the React just add the use state. So this is the hook that we required. Now remove this header part as well. Then just add the multi-select drop down. It is from multi-select drop down. So guys, if you want to add this library, how we can do, just open a terminal and just write the npm install and this the name of the library, so you will get the access of it in your app. So now let's add the data. So I have the data already. So guys, if you want to you can take the any data. So if you want to take the same data, you can pause video and get it. So let's add the hook options and use state, and inside the use state what we have to pass this data. Then just create one div about to this div, and the css for this just I'm copying it. So you can create a class and you can put this into app.css as well. Then inside the app, let's create the header multi-select drop down use state, and just add the style as red, color red. So inside this div just create the multi-select, and for multi-select options what we have to pass, we have created the options use state variable. So just add that over here, and the display value, what we have to display over here, we have to display the country. So guys, what we are doing here, we are creating the multi-select drop down with the data or options we can see, or we have the options in our use state, and it is coming from the data as we are passing the data to the use state hook. So we can have the multiple actions over here where we can pass the data as per the requirement, where we can pass the data when user select any values from the drop down. You can call a function and you can pass this data to the whenever you have required in the future. Means whatever the data that you are selecting into the multi-select, we can pass or we can grab it. So to do that, just we have to add the on select, and on select just call one function, and inside the function get the selected values. As simple as that. Okay, so let's see how our app on the browser. Oh, so we have one error. We have to change as we have to add into double quote. So guys, as you can see, we have our data. So if we want to add India, you can see India added. So guys, let's add one more country. So what I'm doing here, I'm adding England. You can pass the unique ID. I'm just copy and doing that. So you can see England I've added. So England, India, America, Germany. So as guys you can see, we have added the 4 values from the drop down. So guys, this is what we want to do in this. So you can add this library to your project, and you can do the whenever you require the drop down with the multi select, you can do that. So this is all about guys. So I hope you have enjoyed this. So once again, if you are new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe so that you will have the notifications of my upcoming videos. All right, have a good day. Bye.